Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Alchemy to build a web3 RPC connection step by step clearly. To set up Alchemy for building a web3 RPC connection, follow these steps. Begin by visiting the Alchemy website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create App button to start a new project. Choose a name for your application that reflects its purpose. Select the blockchain network you'll be connecting to, such as Ethereum or Polygon. Pick a template that suits your project or start with a blank app. After configuring your app, click the Create button. Your app will now be created, and you will see its details. Locate your API key on the App Details page. This key is crucial for making RPC calls. Next, open your code editor where you'll write the script for your connection. Install the web3 library in your project. Use npm or yarn for this process. For npm, run the command npm install web3. If you prefer yarn, use the command yarn add web3. Next, import the web3 library in your JavaScript file. Initialize a new web3 instance using the provider URL. The provider URL can be found in your Alchemy app details. Use the following code to set up the connection. Const web3 equals require web3 const web3 equals new web3 https://f-mainnet. Now, test your connection by retrieving the latest block number. Use the following code snippet to do this. web3.f.get block number, then, console.log.catch, console.error. Run your script to see if the latest block number is printed in the console. If you see the block number, congratulations, your RPC connection is successful. If not, double-check your API key and network selection. You're now set up to start building your Web3 application with Alchemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.